Hi dear students, welcome to Social Science class. In today's class, we will be continuing the second lesson in Social Science, that is the Thar Desert or the Great Indian Desert. In the previous class, we have studied about the climatic condition on the desert, and we will be studying, in today's class, we will be studying about the housing pattern of the people who live in the villages in Rajasthan. In the previous class, we have studied and understood the Rajasthan or the desert area having very hot and dry climatic condition. In villages in Rajasthan, people build special houses to protect themselves from the extreme heat. So, the people who live in the villages in Rajasthan make or build special type of houses in Rajasthan. The walls of the houses are thick and made of mud. Okay, the walls of the houses in Rajasthan made thick and made with what? Mud. What is a mud? It is a mixture of soil and water. So made of mud, and windows are small. So, and the walls and the floors and the ceilings of the houses are insulated with cakes of cow dung. So what is speciality of their walls and the ceiling? And the walls and the ceilings of these houses are insulated or made with cakes of cow dung. So the waste of animals are called, the cows are called cow dung. So the walls and the floors of the ceilings of these houses are made with cow dung. The houses also have flat roofs as there is no much rainfall in this region. As we have studied in the previous class, there is no much rainfall in this Rajasthan areas, in the desert. So the houses in the Rajasthan have flat roofs, not a slope roof. Instead, they are having a flat roofs in the houses in the Rajasthan. Now we will be studying what is the meaning of the term Dhani. Okay, Dhani, what is Dhani? A cluster, a group of houses in the villages of Rajasthan are called Dhani. Many places in Rajasthan have developed into cities where people are engaged in various occupations other than agriculture and cattle rearing. In the previous class we have studied the main occupation of the people who live in the villages of Rajasthan is farming or agriculture. But nowadays what happens many villages are developed in the areas of Rajasthan, and now the people are doing different types of occupation in Rajasthan, not only the farming or agriculture. Then long water pipelines supply water to these cities. The people who live in the cities are getting water from where? Through the big pipelines, and these pipelines are carrying water from the canals. See, there are 2 or 3 major canals are there in the Rajasthan. We will be studying about these canals in the coming classes. And these pipelines gets water from the canals in the Rajasthan. What are canals? Canals are artificial water bodies made by the human beings. So through these pipelines, the city people are getting water from the canals. Now we will be studying who are Banjaras. Who are Banjaras? Some people living in the desert do not settle at one place but move from one place to another with their families and possessions in search of water. These nomadic people are known as Banjaras. See, who are Banjaras? They are nomadic people. They do not settle at one place, rather they often move from one place to another in search of waters and pastures. Okay, so these people, group of people are called what? Banjaras. Some people, they do not settle at one place, rather they often move from one place to another in search of water and pastures. They wear colorful clothes with lots of tiny mirrors fixed on them and turbans. So this kind of nomadic people, Banjaras, often wear different varieties of colorful clothes. As you see in the picture, these are the images of Banjaras. So see, as you see here, we can find they are wearing colorful dresses, isn't it? And a lot of time, especially the women in Banjaras wear colorful dresses with tiny mirrors. So that's about the Banjaras. Now we'll be studying what are the major domestic animals in Rajasthan. As you see here in the picture, sheep, goat and camel are the major domestic animals in Rajasthan. Animals like sheep, goat and camels are common and domestic animals in this region. Now, we will be studying about camel. The camel is also known as the ship of desert. So, when we think about desert, often the camel comes to our mind because the camel is considered as one of the major and very common animal in desert. Now, we will be studying what are the major speciality of this camel. Camel are an important asset for the people of Rajasthan. Camel can survive for days without water and food. So what is the first specialty of camel? A camel can survive without water for so many days. As you all know, the camel can collect water in his hum. As you see here, this is the top part. This is called hum. So, but that is the first specialty of camel. What is that? A camel can survive for days without water and food. Camel can walk in the desert and sand with ease due to their wide padded feet. So that is second specialty of camel. What is that? A camel can walk easily through the desert due to their wide padded feet. So a kind of cushion-like skin is there under the feet, under the side of the feet. So that's why it is called wide padded feet. Due to their wide padded feet, they can easily walk through the deserts. Camel can be used for carrying loads, ploughing fields and carts. In Rajasthan, people drink camel's milk, so they are useful for the people living in deserts. Camel is also called the ship of the desert. So, camel can be used for carrying loads, ploughing fields and carts. And also, the people of Rajasthan drink the camel's milk. And so due to all these reasons, the camel is considered as a very useful animal in areas in this region, the desert. In today's class, we have studied about the housing pattern, the different types of houses in Rajasthan, and we have studied about the Banjaras, we have studied about the domestic animals in Rajasthan, and finally we have studied the importance of camel in desert. These are the note for you. Third question, why the houses in Rajasthan have thick walls and flat roofs? The answer, in Rajasthan the walls of houses are thick, made of mud, and the windows are small, so the houses remain cool. The houses also have flat roofs as there is not much rainfall in this region. Fourth question, who are Banjaras? Some people living in the desert do not settle at one place but move from one place to another with their families and possessions in search of water. These nomadic people are known as Banjaras. Fifth question, why is the camel popularly known as the ship of desert? The answer, camel can survive for days without water and food. Camel can also walk in the desert and sand with ease due to their wide padded feet. So write down these notes in notebook and read the textbook minimum 5 times and get signature from your parent. We'll be seeing next class. Thank you.